What we found is that our leadership team really lacked the true understanding of how to actually build out a group, how to actually engage consumers in a very effective fashion. And what Authentic Brand provided was a very low risk way for us to really build really quickly. And so we were able to get engagement with consumers essentially right out of the gate, while we were building all these process and this infrastructure that is going to be really meant for the future. We've been in business for about 30 years, and so we have grown at various stages. And really, what we're trying to do is build on our current brand equity, and really take that to more of a broad-based consumer model. So we've been at times in our history very business to business centric, where now what we're really trying to do is get to the end user and really try to broaden our consumer contact. And really that's done through the fantastic things that Authentic Brand has been able to provide us with creating our marketing group. The biggest aha with partnering with Authentic Brand was I kind of joke of how little we truly understood the customer. And so really what Authentic Brand was able to do is with their fractional CMO came in and really started looking at how are we connecting with the consumer emotionally? How are we actually communicating? What is our value proposition? We've been extremely technical in orientation in terms of how we communicate about our products and services in the marketplace. And really, that gets lost on a lot of the consumers that we're targeting. And Authentic Brand was able to really simplify our messaging and really get it to where it's easy to understand, easy to connect up with our products, and ultimately the consumer wins in that situation, which is we're all about the consumer. So it's super good. One of the real benefits of not just having just phenomenal leadership for the marketing function that Authentic Brand provided, but their relationships with other partners that we were able to pull in. So we're in the process of doing some really creative things with positioning our brand in the marketplace. And so we've got a partner company that we're leveraging through their ally network that is just really knocking it out of the park for us. And we're looking for some really fun things that we're going to do with the brand, here in the future, as well as even digital e-commerce strategies, and really pulling in the right partners for website development and for other digital advertising. It's been just really a short-term benefit to the company because we're seeing return on investment there, but also it's really setting us up for the long term, which is real exciting. One of the things that, and I'll speak about our experiences with, on the decision to move forward with fractional services. What we found is that just in looking at just the portfolio of uncertainty in our business, right, and how to lower risk across multiple functional groups. And so we tend to take more risk in certain things like R&D, or maybe even some operationally centric stuff. But the one thing that we were able to do with Authentic Brand is be able to lower the risk by knowing that we're bringing in the proper expertise who's been there, kind of done that. They've built out marketing groups, they've built out marketing strategies that work. And so our tolerance for risk across the multiple functions, this was a way to really get moving really quickly in a very low risk fashion, and that was super attractive and beneficial to us. So if the organization moving forward, like as we optimize our risk portfolio, that was the one thing that was absolutely easy to engage Authentic Brand and lower that risk. Authentic Brand helped us really provide at the leadership level was this leadership in terms of the relationship between marketing and sales. So I would refer to us as more of a marketing-led and sales-driven organization now. So and what that means is that marketing is now out in front and really setting the stage and kind of teeing up for the sales team different pockets of growth, like whether it's direct to the consumer or even the things that are happening in the direct to consumer market is actually bleeding over now into our business to business sales experience. And so people are seeing the engagement that we're having with our consumers, and a lot of our B2B customers, their customers are our direct customers, and so there's this real alignment between sales and marketing now that is just it's really fun to see, because every interaction we're having with business to business sales is just so much more fruitful and meaningful. It's really nice.